As a youth, if I don't talk about drugs, it will be unfair. I just want to tell the department who are monitoring under the drugs and the activities which is happening in all over the state. Sir, due to drugs, HIV is increasing day by day. Because of drugs, our student, our future generation are going backward. I don't know what kind of intelligence do our state have, but the buyers, those who are addicts, they know where people sell drugs, where they can buy drugs. But our local IBs, local intelligence, I don't know why they don't report or why they don't intervene in that matter, or are they threatened, or is it politically supported business? Drugs should be very much monitored in all the subdivisions, in all the police stations, sir. We don't have the exact numbers also. We don't have the exact number of HIV cases also. Because it is not documented. They are not coming. So there, I believe that building rehabilitation centers will not only be enough to stop the control. Sir, for important topic now, how in Ampariwan, drugs hai, kaisa very sensitive issue now, or how so this hai, yang unfair nay, chini borok ni bagai, tam ingai chini borok se, o jagao bisar dapat theko so. Sir, so I will request the police department in all subdivision, in each subdivision, to be very strict in terms of drugs. If we as a whole community come and rise for stopping drugs, then we can do it. It's just that we need to be together, we need to collaborate and work.